Opus Clip is a generative AI video tool that repurposes long videos into short-form content, and in this video we are going to talk about its main features and a quick tutorial to understand how to use Opus Clip. For each short-form video that Opus Clip creates, it generates auto captions and they are customizable. It transcribes the videos, generates a title, a description, and ranks the videos based on a virality score that you see here, which means that the higher the score is, the higher potential a video has to go viral. Another helpful feature is you can schedule your content and auto-upload them directly from the platform to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. Or you can download a video to your computer or export it as an XML file for further editing if that's necessary. The short-form videos that Opus Clip make are highly customizable. If you prefer, you can also do further editing directly on the platform. Some of the best editing features of Opus Clip are adding auto B-rolls. If you toggle this on, Opus Clip will add pictures and videos to a short video. If there are multiple people in the video, it automatically divides the screen. You can change the aspect ratio. You can edit everything with the captions, the style, the color, the font size, and many other things. You can adjust the frame of a video, and you can cut out parts from a video. Before we talk about for who is this AI tool more suitable, let's see quickly how to make short videos with this AI tool. Okay, so currently we are on the main website of Opus Clip, and firstly you need to sign up for it. And after you complete signing up, then you should land to this dashboard. Now here you can directly upload a file from your computer, or you can paste a video link. For example, let's add this video that is currently live on YouTube. You just need to copy this link here and you need to paste it here. Now we can see the video. Before you get the clips, you can do some arrangements here. You can choose caption preset, for example. Each preset here has a different caption style and you can choose one of them. Here you will find additional editing options. If your video is too long, for example, you can only select a part of your video. If it is too long, you don't have to use all of it to save some credit. You can choose here a preferred time length. For example, if you want to upload only for YouTube Shorts, then it cannot be longer than 60 seconds. So you can choose this one, for example. After you are set, click on this button. And now it will give you an estimated waiting time. This is mostly correct. Unless you are a free user, then it can take much longer. Or if the servers are too crowded, then also you might need to wait a bit longer. And once your videos are ready, then you'll receive an email notification. Okay, so the videos are ready now. My original video was around 6 minutes long, so it generated me only 9 short videos. As you can see, each video has a title, a description, and a virality score, and the videos are ranked based on this score here. You can preview your video by clicking on this button. And if you find it good, then you can download it directly to your computer, or you can export it as XML file, or you can also directly auto-post and schedule by clicking on this button. And if you connect your other social media profiles, you can upload the videos directly from the platform to your social media accounts, but you need to connect them first. However, if you are not happy with a section of this video, Opus Clip also has a large editing options. You need to click on this button to edit, for example, this clip. And now it takes us to the editing screen. Here on the left side, you can edit your captions. If you click on the design tab here, then you can change the aspect ratio. If there are multiple people talking on your video, then Opus Clip automatically will divide the layout. But you can also do it here if you prefer. One of the best new features of Opus Clip is generating B-rolls. If you toggle this on, then Opus Clip will generate auto B-rolls for your video. And the generated B-rolls you can see on this gray fields here. We have 2 for now. Now I'm going to play it. And now we see here a generated B-roll. They are automatically generated by Opus Clip. If you want to change them, just select. You can either completely remove it, or you can search for a term, for example, click on search, and you will find here a lot of different options. You also have a variety of editing options for your captions. Currently we see it like this, but if you prefer, you can change your style directly from here. And below you will find a lot of different editing options for your captions. You can also reframe your videos if you prefer. If you wish, you can also cut some parts of your video here. If your video also have some fillers or pauses, then you will see the words here, which are automatically removed by Opus Clip. You will see the words here. After you finish your changes, click on Save and Compile, and your video will be updated. So Opus Clip has great features to create many short-form videos in a very short amount of time. But the most important question is, how good are these videos? Well, to find out the answer, you can test this tool for completely free from the link below in the description. You will get 1 hour of free processing every single month. But if you want to test more features, you can even start a free trial for the upgraded plans and find out which one works the best for you. If you decide to purchase it through my link, Opus Clip will pay me a small commission without at any extra cost to you, so thank you for your support. This AI tool is more suitable for you if you are a short-form creator, if you want to make a lot of short-form content, whether on YouTube Shorts, TikTok or Instagram. And for the content type, Opus Clip works the best for converting long-form videos to short-form videos, as it mentions here. It works the best for content types such as video podcasts, educational, commentary, product reviews, motivational speeches type of videos. But it is not suitable for vlogs, gaming videos, and music videos. So if you are a short-form creator and your content type is also suitable, you can sign up and test Opus Clip for free from the link below, and let us know your thoughts later in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and see you guys in the next video.